Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about all-in-one AI tool which acts as a better search engine for all our researchers and also students and teachers to search for different types of contents, flashcards and notes for your project work or research work. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how that AI tool will be used to search a better content for our content generation and paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So this workshop, in this workshop we are going to explore the MATLAB environment, basic syntaxes in MATLAB, and we are going to explore different types of toolbox available in MATLAB Simulink, that is neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIZ toolbox, and also we are going to make a live PID tuning for your applications to get desired results for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So make use of this opportunity to learn more about this MATLAB basics. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Knowt.com. That's Knowt is an AI powered study app that offers free flashcards, study guides and practice tests to help students excel in their classes. So this is the dashboard of this Knowt.com. So here you can see browse over 1.5 million notes and flashcards. So here we are going to search some of them. So in this you will be having options. You can see explore, exams and just a minute. So blog. So in this I am going to give explore. So click on explore. So here you can see different types of grade level exams are available. So AP, IB, A level, GRE, LSAT, DAT, MSAT, SAT, IGSE, IGCSE, ACT, NCERT. So like that different options are available. So first I am going to click AP. So in this you can see different categories are available. So AP calculus, AP pre-calculus, biology, chemistry, algebra based, etc. So as far as engineering is concerned, you can see engineering. So in this you can see computer science principles. Computer science principles. So you can just click on that computer science principles. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you will be having different topics and their notes. So for example, first I am going to click this one, big idea. So in this you can see that big idea, creative development. So here you can see that the notes for the particular topic is generated. So big idea 1, creative development. So in this you can see collaboration, identifying and correcting errors. There are 4 main types of errors in programming. So like that it will generate the content related with the particular topic. So after that you can go on to the next one. So that is data. So here you can see the data related with that particular content is generated. So next here you can see that algorithms and programs. So here you can see the flashcards for that particular, the notes for that particular topic is generated. So it will be very precise and effective one with examples, and it also you can see here, you can see this, it is a cut from a book. So it will collect all the best data from all the books and it will give you a better analyzed version of that particular topic. So you can make use of this option to study. So next one, you give impact of computing. So here you can see new way of communicate and interact. So like that you can generate, you can get data very easily using this AI tool, that is not AI tool. So apart from this you will be having different options and different material related with the question. For example, say I am going to click GRE. So in this GRE you can see GRE math, GRE chemistry, GRE psychology, GRE general, GRE physics. So for example I am going to click GRE physics means, so it will have different classifications, that is syllabus associated with GRE. Next you can go to MCAT. So in this MCAT, so you will be having different options, different categories of subjects. So in that I am going to click physics and maths. Here you can see this is the physics equations related with that particular exam, that is MCAT. So here you can see these are the equation regarding velocity and displacement, and also you can see what is the difference between vectors and scalars. So like that it will have different types of equations related with physics. So like that you can select any of the category in this MCAT and you can get a better notes and content for you. So after that you can see NCERT. I am going to click NCERT. So for different classes of central board syllabus, it is having notes. So for example, I am going to click for that is class 10. So here you can see the flashcards will be open for class 10. So you can browse the subjects. For example, if you want maths, you can click on maths or science. So I am going to click it science. So here you can see this is the flashcards for the science. Here you can see this is a flashcards for the science. So here you can see the syllabus associated with the particular topics, and the notes are presented here. So you can use this notes to study. So this Knowt.com can be used in your mobile app also. So like that, you can explore different types of categories and options available in this particular Knowt.com. So this is not only for that is to students, it is also helpful for researchers to find better content for your research. So especially related with general science. So it also it always relates with the examination point of view. So those who are struggling to make better practices for your exam, so you can come here. So it is also having different options related with exams also. So these are the different options related with exams. So here you can see it is called a practice mode. So click on that practice test. So it will go to the practice mode. So here you can fix your date for your exam, studying for an exam. So what is your exam? You can fix your date. So next you can give length of your practice test. So it will generate. You can also customize what is the type of question you want, that is multiple choice or written question or true or false. Next question format, how it will be look like. Next learning options, how it will look like. So like that you can customize even your exam options in this Knowt.com. So this is for ACT. So here you can see you can browse through your units: English, Maths, Reading, Science and Writing. So you can click any one of this. Some may don't have any contents. For example, in this writing it doesn't have any content. So in science you will be having some syllabus related with science, biological evolution, so general macroevolution, microevolution, like that. So it will generate the categories. So according to that categories you can select the contents. So this Knowt.com is useful for you to prepare your content for examination point of view. So those who are making prepared for your examination in this particular category I have shown. So you can make use of this Knowt.com to obtain a better notes and flashcards for your examination preparation. So this is all about this Knowt.com. So hope this video will be helpful for you. So it is not only for researchers, it is very helpful for students and teachers as well. So make use of this option to make your reading very easy. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.